There are no bad guys, just disturbed guys.
Go fast, okay? And remember Plan B.
See you on the inside.
You hear that? Something in the air is gunning. You better get out here.
Distant, doesn't it?
Plan B! Plan B! Plan B!
You okay?
You don't have to hurt him.
We need to go. I'm in their air gas network.